by using the power of ChatGPT, an advanced language model, along with the pixels, a great source of royalty-free images and videos, and a text-to-speech website. You can easily create a high-quality content without ever showing your face. So whether you are camera shy or just looking to try something new, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in and get started. People today are making a great income on YouTube only using AI tools without showing their face. So for example, this one is making about $4,780, and this one is making about $27,000. So let's go and see how they make this video. Write YouTube scripts about, for example, how to translate a text in 10 lines. Now ChatGPT is starting to create your YouTube script directly, so I have asked him to keep it into 10 lines. I see that he didn't stick to 10 lines script. It always does that. So you don't need to read all of these texts. All you have to do is to go and check it if it did match your topic. If it not, just go and regenerate response. For example, let's go and do it. And now I am going to copy this script, then go on Google and type, or Bing, type text to speech. So type natural and go to this website. It's Natural Readers. Natural Readers gives you many options of AI readers. Go for example and choose this one. So go and check Davis, or Sarah, or Jane, or Stephen, then go down on. So remove these paragraphs and paste your script. Let's go and hit the button play.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to translate. Step 1. First, identify the language of the original text and the language you want to translate. Step 2. Use a reliable translation tool or service such as Google Translate or DeepL to translate the text. Step 3. Copy and paste the original text into the translation tool.
Great. So all you have to do is to record this audio while it is reading the script using this software. Is screen recorder. So to install this software, go on Google and install Format Factory software, and then the software to use it to record the audio. So once you have the video, just using a Format Factory itself. Now we've come to the step where we need to give a video to our script. All you have to do is to go to this website that GPT has suggested for us. It's Google Translate and DeepL. So for example, I am going to copy this one and go to Google and get into this website. So all you have to do is to record using the same software, screen record. I have already a video on my channel if you want to see how to install this software. Now, for example, I want to translate my French text to English. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. As an example. So go on. So I have the French text translated to English. So once you have done the tutorial, just go on the software and tap and click on this blue button to stop recording the video. once you have done recording the tutorial on your computer screen, just go to any video editors, for example Filmora or Camtasia or Adobe Premiere. All these softwares will give you the tools to combine and merge the video you have recorded and the audio you have done on natural readers. Then let's go and do it on. So go and grab these as an example, this video, and then go and grab the audio. You can edit the video or the audio as you wish. This is Filmora One 12. So go and apply the changes. You need to have a good looking video that attracts your YouTube visitors. Once you have done the editing of your videos, so we'll explain some tools on Filmora. For example, you can make audios here, add titles, transitions between the scenes of your videos, put some text to your video or sticker. So all these tools are for free. 12. You can watch a video online to see how to go now to export a video to your computer. On the export, you have here some extensions. Then you will have the video on, and it comes to step is to upload it channel on YouTube. Go to YouTube and click on this icon and then upload the video you have made. And this way you have make a faceless YouTube video easily without showing your face or recording your voice. If you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.